Hello and welcome to the homestead. Today I'm working on expanding our chicken area. We've decided that we are going to keep our layer hens in the end of the barn. We're going to set it up as a small hen house, at least for the time being. So the task at hand is to set up a outdoor chicken run that will be hopefully predator proof, or at least predator resistant. And so anyway, I've got to get some T-posts together. Some are still in the ground, so I have to jack some of those out of the ground and move some stuff around and get that set up. Hopefully in the next few days. I'll start out getting the fence set up, and then we'll add the wire later on. Well, I've got all the T-posts jacked out of the ground. I just have to go around and collect them. But I've got one left, and I want to show you a really neat tool that I found at Tractor Supply for removing T-posts so that you can take out old posts or move posts around or whatever. And you just use it with a regular high lift jack, and it works really great. I picked up this tool at Tractor Supply. It was about $13. I don't even know what it's called, but the purpose is for jacking out just regular T-posts, or you can even use it for U-posts. But this part goes over the T-post, and then this part hooks either on your high lift jack foot, or you can even use a chain that then slides down in this notch. Now, I grew up using a chain that was wrapped around the post, and then you put the loop over the jack foot. But this is really nifty. My dad would have jumped up and down to use this tool. So anyway, I'll get this last post jacked out, and then I'll collect the posts. As a note, this part right here goes on the side of the post that has the little bumps on it that normally the wire would attach to, and then this goes on the little triangular part. So it only goes one way on the post, but it works great. Jack it basically, I would say, from the back side of the post. Well, our portable pig pen is now taken down, and now I'm going to take those posts over and start working on that chicken yard. Well, it doesn't look like much right now, but this is going to be our chicken run area. We need to put a hole in the sidewall and a little ramp and a little door to be able to close the hens in at night. And of course, then there's lots of stuff to do inside the hen house. But anyway, this is the first step to letting these chickens go free. So hopefully we don't have too many aerial predators. We'll be adding hot wire around the outside in addition to the netting that we'll put up here. Or I guess it's the welded wire that we're going to put up here in a few days. Get that going. So we're basically just have decided to make this barn kind of in 3 sections. And this left section will be where the laying hens are, and then in this section we'll have a small amount of hay storage, and then over here will be kind of the loafing area to where we can get the pigs or whatever small animals we might have in the future in out of our winter weather. And then of course, you know, things can change, plans can change, but we want to be able to have a secure place where the hens can be year-round. And then of course we'll be doing meat chickens in the future, and we'll build a brooder box for them rather than raising them in the barn where the hens will be.